Hi guys, hello everyone, hello. Come on in, you guys, come on in. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you see my face for the very first time, I am Susanita Efe. I am a YouTuber based in Germany, Deutschland. So you guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video, you guys, I know you guys are wondering, who's this girl? It's Moa, me, myself, and I am feeling myself. You guys, sometimes you just have to feel yourself, because if you don't feel yourself, nobody's going to feel yourself for you. So today, I am feeling myself. And you guys can tell why. Why? Why am I feeling myself? Like, why? All right, I know you know, but let me just tell you. So you guys, today, as you can see, for the very first time on my YouTube channel, I have contact lens. This word is not one of my favorite words, so let's take this intro again. So today, I am going to be doing a review of a contact lens. Yay! And I'm so happy, you guys. This is my first time officially having a contact lens on YouTube. And the contact lenses that I am reviewing today, you guys, it's... Oh. Calm down now, relax. So you guys, I have the TTDeye lenses. And you guys, what do you think? What do you think? I guess I don't even have much to say. You know already, like, don't they suit me so well? So well. Okay, you guys, I'm going to show you guys a short clip where I unboxed it, because as you already know, this is my first time having contact lenses on camera. The last time I had contact lenses on was like 11 years ago, and since then I've never had any contact lenses. So you guys, when they reached out to me and they were like, the company, the TTDeye Fem company, when they reached out to me and they were like, oh, you've got beautiful eyes and we would love you to like review our product, I was a bit I was like, you people want to blind me, Abby? They have sent you people, Abby? So I decided to do a review, not review, like to do research. And I searched a lot. I read a lot of stuff about this lenses, and I also watched tons of YouTube videos about this lenses, and I saw some positive and some negative, and I was like, okay, for me to know what these lenses are about, if they are good, if they are bad, I have to try them for myself, right? So I decided, I agreed, and they sent me 4, and I decided to try them. And you guys, this is the first one. And I don't know if this will be my favorite, but so far I am loving the ones I have on. And this is the red khaki. Woo! I am so excited that I cannot wait to try the other ones, and I want to really talk and finish with this talking. All right, you guys, you know I love to talk. So if you are not used to one talking whilst doing a review, I guess this video is not for you. But I love talking, so let me talk, okay? Be patient, relax. So you guys, the one I have on is the real khaki. I got 4 contact lenses, and I have the real khaki, polar light gray, I got the Himalaya gray, and I also got the HD brownness. I haven't tried the other ones, but honestly, I'm so happy that I am able to fix contact lenses after 11 years. And yes, what do you guys think? And to be honest, I saw a lot of videos that said these contact lenses are bad. My own experience, I would say this: it didn't hurt my eyes, it didn't itch me, it didn't scratch. As you can see, like, no redness, nothing at all. It took me almost 30 minutes to like get them on, but yeah, after that, no redness, no itchy, nothing. You know, as a new contact lens wearer, you are going to feel a little bit uncomfortable at the beginning. Like, it will be a little bit of discomfort, but I think that's normal, because I remember when I first wore lenses like 11 years ago, I had that same discomfort. And other than that, the first timer discomfort, other than that, no other stress, no redness, no itching, nothing. And yeah, what do you guys think? I love them, and I think, hey, before I forget, you guys, there is a huge Christmas offer that is going on. You know, Christmas is here. We need to like bling, bling, shine, glow. So this company is giving you guys a very good Christmas offer. And you guys, make sure to get this offer, make sure you use the code Susanita. I'm going to leave it right here on the screen, or I'm going to leave it also in the description for you guys to use it. 50%. 50%. You know what that means? Half the price. 50% discount. Okay, for you to get a 50% discount, make sure you use the code. On all of the lashes, you're gonna get 50% discount when you use the code Susanita. All right, you guys, I'm so happy. I want to go try the other ones, and I cannot wait to tell you guys how I feel about them. So let me just quickly go off camera and put them on, and yeah, we will see. Let's find out which one suits Susanita so well. I don't really think this is one of my favorites. I think it's cute though, because my natural eye color is brown, and having to see myself with gray lenses, it's kind of strange to me, but I think they are cute and I like them, but I think they are not one of my favorites. I don't think I'm going to be wearing this during the daytime. I think I'm going to be comfortable wearing this at night. That's what I think. So I don't think you're going to see me wearing this during the day, just so you know. Okay, you guys, what do you think? Do you think it's pretty cool? Do you think it looks nice on me? Okay, tell me down in the comment section. Let me go get the next one. You guys, this is the Himalaya Grey. And I like this one. I really like this one. It's really looking like bold and strong. And I'm in love with this Himalaya Grey. I like it. How do I look? Be honest in the comment section. How do I really look? I think I really like this one. And it took me less than a minute to fix them. Less than a minute. I think the more you go, the more it takes lesser time to get them on. And yeah, I'm really loving this one. So now let's get the last one, the HD Brownness. Yes, it's time for the HD Brownness. And I'm beginning to think that that will be my favorite. I'm not sure, so watch out. Let's find out together. This is the HD Brownness. And I don't have to tell you guys much. You can see this looks similar to my eye color, although my natural lens are like brown, like deep dark brown, but these are kind of light brown, and I really like it because if you compare this to the other ones, this is something that looks closer to my natural eye color. So yeah, I think I like this one. And if I have to arrange them, I would give the Khaki number 1, and I will give this the 2nd position, and I will give the Himalaya Grey the 3rd position, and I'm going to give the Polar Grey the 4th position. So yes, this is HD Brownness. All right, so don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Make sure you like this video, leave a comment, and for the pictures of the lenses, you really want to see how they look, because right now I'm blinking. You really cannot tell if they are beautiful or not. If you want to see how they look, make sure you follow me on Instagram, where you get still photos, and then you can really zoom in and see how beautiful they are. Okay, all right, follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to leave a comment. Share this video to also let your friends know that Susanita tried the TTDeye contact lenses, and she said it is good. No itching, no scratching. My eyes are okay so far, and I'm loving the lenses. All right, that being said, I love you. Make sure you love yourself, because if you don't love you, who will? See you guys in my next video. Ciao. Bye. Auf Wiedersehen. Au revoir. Tschüss.
Sometimes I feel that my luck's run out. When things don't go to plan, I kinda lose my mind. I hope it's real, this life comes around. Just keep your faith and search for the fountain. Time is of the essence, the blood running through our core. It's best to not feel sorry when it's over. I will be the greatest that you ever seen before, and I'll stay eternal.